Hello, welcome to Simple Math. In this video, we'll explain an exercise about calculating cube roots without calculator. I'm going to teach you a technique. It's the same one than square roots. It's the same um, idea or it's the same strategy. All right. So we will do prime factorization and then we will make groups of powers raised to the third power. Let's take a look at this example. The exercise is calculate the square root of 1,700, the cube root of 1,728. How do we do that? How do we calculate um, that cube root? Actually, I have to write here that this is a cube root. Sorry, this is a cube root. Oops, it's ugly. Cube root. Cube root of 1,728. So let's start making prime factorization. So I'm going to write a line. Yes, I'm going to write a long, long line. Sorry. I'm going to write a long, long line to do prime factorization. Okay. So I'm going to write here 1,728. So that number is divisible by 2. So 1,728 is divisible by 2. So I write a number 2 here. Sorry. I write a number 2 here. And then I do the division. Yes. 1,728 divided by 2 is 864. Yes. 864. 864 at the same time is divisible by 2. So we write a number 2 here. So this number divided by 2 is 432. 432. Okay. So 132 is also divisible by 2. Yes. So 432 divided by 2, if you do it, you will get 216. Yes. And then 216 is also divisible by 2. So we write a number 2 here. And then we do the division. So how much is 216 divided by 2? The answer is 108. 108 is divisible by 2. If you do the division, you will get 54. So we write a number 2 here. That number 2 means that 108 is divisible by 2. Then we do the division and we write the answer below. 108 divided by 2 is 54. Yes, is 54. And 54 is also divisible by 2. So we write a number 2 here. And then we do the division. How much is 54 divided by 2? Is 27. 27 is not divisible by 2, but it's divisible by 3. So we divide by 3, we write a number 3 here, and we do the division. How much is 27 divided by 3? 27 divided by 3 is 9. So we write the answer below the 27. In this case is 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. And 3 is divisible by 3, so we write a number 3 here. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. And that is the prime factorization. If we multiply all these numbers, we get 1,728. So, but because this is a cube root, so we have to make inside a big, big root groups of powers with exponent 3, right? Indicating that those are the numbers that we need to take them out of the cube root. So I'm going to write now a very long cube root like this. Yes. So I just make longer the symbol that I had it before. And then I will start making groups. Let me change the color a moment. And I'm going to make groups of of three prime factors. So I will take 2, 2, and 2. All of them, 2 times 2 times 2 is the same than 2 exponent 3. Yes, 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 2 exponent 3. I can rewrite that in that way. So I can make a group of three elements or three prime numbers here. So this is 2 exponent 3, because it's 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 2 exponent 3, or raised to the third power. And I'll do the same thing with the number 3. This is a group of three numbers of the number 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is 3 exponent 3. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I am going to take these 2 exponent 3, these 2 exponent 3, and these 3 exponent 3, and I will write them inside the cube root symbol. So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to write here inside the cube root symbol a 2 exponent 3, yes, times, yes, a 2 exponent 3, 2 exponent 3, yes, times, in this case, 3 exponent 3, yes. I think I wrote uh, this symbol very long, actually more than I need. So according to the Roots law and Powers law, there is a property that indicates that if I have a power here that is multiplied with others, and that power has the same exponent, is the same exponent than the index. So what I can do is that I can cancel the exponent with the index. Let's say that, well, it doesn't happen actually, literally like that, but we can take the number out. In other words, I can take this number out if I cancel this 3 with this 3. I can take this number out if I cancel this 3 and this 3, and I can take this number out when canceling this exponent 3 with this number 3 that is in the index. And that is the step I'm going to do now. Yes? So I'm going to rewrite my expression again like the cube root of, I'm sorry, I'm making a mistake here. So now I'm going to take the numbers out. So let's take these 2 exponent 3 out of the cube root. So I have 2. Why? Because I cancel this exponent with this index. Times this 2 exponent 3, I will cancel this 3 and this 3, and I will take the 2 out. Yes. Times, I'll take this 3 out because I cancel this exponent with this index, and I will write it here. And then the last step is to multiply those three numbers. How much is 2 times 2 times 3? 2 times 2, 4, times 3, 12. Uh, so the answer is 12. That means that as a conclusion, I can say that the cube root of the number 1728, yes, the cube root is 12. All right. If you want to verify with a calculator, you can do it. Okay, guys, this is all for this video. Thanks for watching Simple Math. I expect you have learned a little bit about this topic, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.